All right, this is the last one. This one, I don't know. Is this real? I can't believe I never heard this before. People with red hair, redheads, don't feel as much pain as everybody else.
Really?
Did you ever hear this?
No.
Redheads have a higher pain threshold than blondes or brunettes because their skin's pigment produces cells that lack the function of a certain receptor. Redheads have a faulty receptor on skin pigment cells that stops them tanning, but also has a hormonal knock-on effect, which results in elevated pain threshold. Gingers produce more opioid signals than people. That's a weird term, gingers. Like, I know, it's so brutal. Why? How is that right? Like, I guess they would say it's like saying blondes or something, but I don't even like that. It's such a weird classification. Whatever, I don't know.
What about redhead? It's better than ginger, right?
Yeah, or just red hair.
Red hair, yeah. Ginger, yeah. That's weird.
I think we're kind of scarred by that viral YouTube ginger guy. And do you know remember the one? I think he had can't remember what the name of his account was, but he was we don't have to go down that path, yeah. But
I was just going to say.
Anyway, produce more opioid signals than people with other hair colors and complexions and have an elevated pain threshold. So I don't know, man. It's surprising you can find out something like this that you would have felt you would have heard of at some point.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess everybody's a little bit different. I mean, this is not like superhero status. And actually, you could look at it the other way where it could be a problem. I was watching a documentary on some people who have an issue where they can't feel pain at all. And you would think, oh, that's fantastic. Actually, pain is useful to you.
Yeah.
Pain tells you, oh, you better take a seat right now. You better take a rest. You better watch out. Oh, your finger's broken. You better not be picking things up.
Yeah.
And so for actually those people who have that particular issue feeling no pain, they end up with all kinds of problems that burn yourself. Like imagine, Will, when you touch the stove or something.
Uh-huh.
And you just leave the hand there to sizzle.
Mm-hmm. Smells like bacon.
Imagine when you figure it out and you're in real trouble and you didn't feel it. So it's actually a useful thing that you spend so much time trying to get rid of that you don't think of it that way.
Yeah.
You try to take every pill that's out there to try to alleviate pain. And meanwhile, it's kind of useful in certain.
I guess too much pain is bad.
Well, yeah, of course. There's a limitation to it, but it does serve its role.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm sure in this case, this particular story, having a higher pain threshold can serve a role.
Yeah.
You think about the painful situations in life. I'm thinking about like childbirth or something.
Uh-huh.
More straightforward. It doesn't hurt as much.
Yeah.
I don't know what other painful situations I'm thinking about. Maybe in sports or something.
Mm-hmm.
Falling off a dirt bike or something.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It doesn't hurt as bad.
Yeah.
I'm surprised by it, but I'm here to let you know. Well, that's it.
There you go.